Tire Garage TV. Yo, my name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. Thank you for joining us. Welcome. If you like turning wrenches, you like working on cars, running a shop, or just cars in general, this is the channel for you. All right. On today's episode, we're out here in the IE at Truck Fest 2021, and check this out. Check what's surrounding me, and we just chilling, kicking out here for the day. It's Sunday out here with my boy Frankie. We chilling, doing Sunday fun day. So let's go take a look, see what other trucks are chilling. We got a little bit of everything too. Tahoes, Chevys, Fords, Dodge, Rams, everything. So, let's go take a look. See what we find.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane.
So, you might ask yourself, what are you rolling in? Well, we got this baby today. Check this out. 1998 Chevy Tahoe. Damn, check that out.
Working, I need that advance with the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash.
Hey, if you know me, you know that I like Hubbard. Look at this baby. Woo. Badass. That black actually looks really clean. I'm not really a fan of black, not on Hubbards either, but that black looks really clean. That looks really good, I like it. There's a lot to look at around here though, a lot to look at. Check this out.
Say your niggas don't rock with.
What a Corvette should be.
Know that I know.
Now that's what we need. Roll around with the cooler with us. Shit, that'd be badass.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Losing track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies bout to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling. Don't know if I'm coming or I'm going home for the summer in Miami when it's snowing. Might just end up in your city, baby, you won't even know it. Might just find out from the ground while I'm posing with some grands. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome. What'd you think? It was a good show, right? Yo, I love going to those shows. They're family events. People were there with their girls and stuff like that. Live music. The dude and the horse was running around. You know, 2020 Corvettes. You saw those. Badass. Good-looking cars. Good-looking trucks. Look, I'm into cars and I love everything car-related. But trucks really are badass. They're one of my faves. You know, my favorites. And, you know, I have a lot of favorite good-looking trucks that I want. I would love to own, have a whole collection of them. Big shout out to the people who organized that event. I'll put the Instagram up here. That's where I saw the event flyer. I'm not sure if it's them who produced it or who made the event, but people who like that, who make the events like that possible, shout out to them, because honestly they did a good job. Well organized, kept it safe, kept it fun still. Live music, like I said, the horse was running around, the dude of the horse was running around, and it was a good time. Cool. Definitely there's going to be more, so we'll hit some cruises, stuff like that this year, so definitely stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate you being here, and you know how it is. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
In the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.